Salem today, Oregon lawmakers have gathered for what's expected to be a brief special session. In the last 10 minutes, the House voted to pass bills to fund the cost of this year's wildfire season. The money would help the Department of Forestry and State Fire Marshal's office pay outstanding bills and reimburse them for some personnel costs. Veteran firefighters say our wildfire seasons have gotten much worse in recent years.
And so here we are today having to have a special session to address, a massive funding need. And we all agree that we should do it. Contractors have fought these fires. They've protected our lands and our property and our people, and they deserve to get paid. No one's argued with that at all.
The federal government is expected to eventually cover more than half the cost of fighting this year's fires. But Governor Kotek and state lawmakers want the money to go out now. The bills will now head to the Senate for a vote.